Hey guys, welcome to the mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, so what am I up to today?
Coughing along up.
Apart from coughing along up, I am still coughing really badly, so unfortunately for Chris, he's going to have to keep cutting the coffee bits out. And that's coughing, not coffee. Oh, I could do with a coffee, although it is quite late at night. So, what am I doing? 1 second. Right. I've got this green mica powder that apparently I got from Shein last January. And I am using this magic yellow. It's quite pretty. It's coming into spring. You wouldn't have thought it with the weather over here in Yorkshire. But daffodils have started popping up, I believe. I don't go out. I don't know. I don't see them. I just comment on what other people comment on. So, it's that time of year. So, I'm wanting something a little bit fresh. I think is the only... I can't think of terms tonight. So, that's what I'm doing. I think there might be an actual technique where something similar's done. I am not trying to do any specific technique. I think there is one, but I'm probably using the wrong resin, etc. Not waiting temperatures. So, if this is a technique, great. That's not my intention.
It's a technique then. It's a drizzly doodah.
Yeah, a drizzly doodah, that's what this is. Right, I shall just get Chris to put you on his hold music whilst I take this out of the wrapper. Right, so during that brief interlude, both Chris and I have coughed up as guts, so we're good to go for the next 5 minutes.
That long?
Yep, that long. Right, so as you can see, it's a paint palette. As some of you may be aware, I have actually started painting recently, and I don't have a paint palette. I know, it's a shock. Well, it isn't actually, but there you go. So that's what I'm doing today. This mould, I believe, came from Temu. I have seen it on Amazon, but this particular one did come from Temu. Right. So, as I mentioned, the technique, the drizzly, I'm going to be mixing up. I don't know how much this takes, so I'm going to measure up 200 and hope it's success. 1 second. Okay, we're both trying to get us coughing into unison, so Chris only has to cut one load out. Right. So where was I?
Is that at your desk?
Yes, sat at my desk. I'm completely lost my train of thought. Right. So, what I'm doing is I'm mixing up 200 mils and hoping it's enough. I did get an approximate amount, but that came out with 400, and I really don't think this is going to take 400. It probably will now that I've said that. So, I'm going to make up 200 mils of resin. If it's not enough, I can always back it in a solid colour or something. So, I will be mixing up into 3 parts. Got my yellow, my green, and my clear, which isn't going to be clear. So, with the micas, I'm literally going to be drizzling it around the outside, or pouring clear first, drizzling around the outside with both colours, and then once that's done, just pouring the rest over. Now, I'm not using clear, as you can probably guess with all my air quotes. My clear is going to be this green, looks like moss green, I quite like it. It's going to be this greeny, metallic, alcoholic. As I say, there is probably very similar to an existing technique. This is just me putting resin on, quite literally. So I have absolutely no idea what this is going to look like.
Pallet.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's going to be pretty, but we shall have to see. Right, so I think that's it for my waffle, and Chris is going, thank you, because it means less editing for him to cut the coffin out. I am going to, as I mentioned, mix up the 200 mils of resin, split it into 3 cups, and then mix the colours in, degas it. Once all that fun stuff's done, I'm then going to pour, all of which will be done on Chris's Zoomy music. So I shall be back once my resin's mixed up. Bye. Bye for now.
The Crafty Rat's got a new mold today. Little tail twitching, she's ready to play. She's pouring out a pallet, but it runs like rain. All that empty color where the dream should stay. She taps the table, chews her pen. Can't get the rainbow to begin. You can't mix colors, can't guess hues when the palette you've got is grass green. Yellow too, you're stirring and stirring, but it won't come through when the palette you've got is grass green. Yellow too, oh yeah, just green and yellow too. Tried a little sunshine, tried a midnight sky. Painted up a fence post just to pass the time. But every road she reaches for turns the same old shade. Like a field in August that just never fades. She hums a tune, kicks off her boots, prays for a different kind of truth. You can't mix colors, can't guess hues when the palette you've got is grass green. Yellow too, you're stirring and stirring, but it won't come through when the palette you've got is grass green. Yellow too, hey, just green and yellow too. Till you hang that canvas in the light, see that simple can be right. Maybe all you really need in view is grass green and yellow too. You can't mix colors, can't guess hues when the palette you've got is grass green. Yellow too, turns out a little bit of me, a lot of you. Looks perfect painted, grass green. Yellow too, oh yeah, just green and yellow too. Ooh, yeah,
Hey guys, and I'm back. I had a little bit of an issue. Yeah, my camera was full. So all I did was on this back coat, and pretty much what I did with this, with the first coat, so there's nothing different there, but I did come back and top it up. Yeah, my 200 mils was not enough. It actually takes about 350 mils. So my original calculation of 400 would have been fine. So let's just get this demolded. So I did have a tiny little bit of excess, which I put into this lovely little flower mould. It's very green, still bendy, but that's that. Got to neaten up the edge because Amelia likes these as hair clips, and I think, Chris, you made the last one a hair clip, didn't you? Yeah. So they work really well for hair clips. Right, so let's have a look. As I say, the back is still a little tacky, a little bendy. Not sure why, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to get this out. I'll leave it on here. Just because. Right, let's take a look. Ooh, that's really pretty. I do like the green. I might have to try and find a sticker to put over the top of that. Chris, what do you reckon?
I think you're going to have issues mixing colours.
Yeah, this is going to be for decorative purposes only, not as an actual paint palette, because, yeah, mixing colours on this is going to be interesting.
What if you don't want to, yeah, that.
And knitting it up.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So, as I say, all I was doing was putting it in. I wasn't expecting any technique, but I do quite actually like this weird crackle. Next time I might mix it in a little bit more, but super straightforward, even though it did take 2 pours. This video's Tuesdays, isn't it? Yep, this is sorry, this is tomorrow's video. Just bear with me a second. Yep, this is tomorrow's video. It's now Monday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yay! So, I actually quite like this. I do like the green and the yellow. I'm glad I chose them colours, even though the yellow is more pale green, but I like it. Might put a sticker on this. What do you think? I'm going to pause the camera and be right back. I'm back. So, I'm going to get resin all over my top. Just what I want. I'm going to put a sticker on. I don't know which one though. I quite like that green one.
That reminds me of Kaz. Less flames though.
So now I just need to figure out which one. I do like that one though.
And the green one.
Yeah, the green one's calling to me so far.
The purple's quite cute though.
That one.
Yeah. It's a contrast.
You can zoom through this bit.
I'm still thinking the purple one.
Right, so Chris has chosen this purple one.
Sparrow.
So let me get this cut out. So this, I've got quite a few of these. These are UV DTF stickers.
I can't remember the name of them now.
Yeah, there was a stage where I could not say UV DTF. Yep, got it wrong every single time. But I do have quite a lot of these, but I do. Dragons and wolves are my thing. Right, so how should I don't know how this is going to be best.
You give me something to put away, I'm putting it away.
I don't know how do I put it like that? I quite like that, but
That way.
so shoving it there.
Yes.
Right. so with the UV DTF stickers, when I get it off, just bear with me. There we go. I want to try and get it without bubbles. Whether I do or not is a different matter.
So what you really need to do is aim for getting all the bubbles in it, because then you won't get what you want.
Yeah, that's true. Right, so what I like about the UV DTF stickers is normal stickers are great, but you can always see an outline on them. These ones are brilliant because you just literally, you stick it on, and then this backing sheet, you pull up, and it just leaves the image behind, so there's no border. And this one's sticky as heck. Right, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of clean-up of this sticky that's been left behind, but I shall do that off camera. And this is this week's video. I'm not going to top coat this. This should be perfectly fine. Doesn't need top coating. And as it is a decorative piece, I'm not going to be putting things on it and what have you to damage it. So I will leave it at that. So if you're still here, thank you very much. You're all absolutely fantastic. The support means a lot to me. And just to confirm, in the description below, I do have linked some discount codes. We've got some discount codes for a couple of the big resin companies in the UK. I've also got my Amazon wish list and buy me a coffee. So please, I'm using lots of sauce today. I've not done sauce in a while. Anyways.
So you're doing a so-and-so?
Yes, I'm doing a so-and-so. Excuse me. Right, please like and leave a comment to this video. That means a whole lot to me, and it really helps my channel loads. To all my subscribers, thank you. You're absolutely amazing that you take your time to actually watch these videos. If you are subscribed, as I say, thank you. If not, click the button. I do have videos going out every Tuesdays and Fridays. The last Sunday of every month is School Sunday. And yeah, any other collaborations I can join in, I'll do additional. Right, so whilst I've been waffling on, Chris has been attaching this to a hair clip. Right, so again, thank you, and I shall catch you for the next video, which will be on Friday. Bye, guys.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene.